So it does come with the batteries, a lock itself. It has 2 remote controls. It has hardware and an installation booklet. There is a QR code on the back. And here we go. I have it installed. Very, very simple installation. Very quick installation. Basically, like I said, plug and play. Took out an old one, put a new one in, and it's ready for use. It works off of Keypad and off of Fingerprint, key, and a remote control. Let me show you the remote control. So we click on a lock and it's locked. Unlock and it's unlocked. Very nice. And it also has a feedback on this side. It blinks when it's locked or unlocked. And as well as Fingerprint, let's click lock and just use your finger. Unlocked. Same as a keypad. It's very easy to set it up. It has this add button. Click on add button and program your either fingerprint or a password. So let's get it locked. And it's locked. Unlock and it's unlocked. Very nice. I do recommend getting one. Very, very convenient lock.